700, exercise number 22. Ready? Time that wishing will not make it so. Full stop. There are indeed some other words that we still hear from time to time on the radio. Full stop. They are whatever will be. Full stop. The future is not ours to see. Full stop. What will be. Full stop. The future certainly is not ours to see, but there is one thing about the future that is certain, and that is that we shall continue to be ourselves and shall not get out of bed one morning to find that we are some other person. Full stop. And this is just as well, because we can be sure that however many troubles and difficulties we may have in our lives, it is still much more comfortable to be ourselves than to be another person. Full stop. It would be very strange indeed to get up one day and find everything changed, to see everything with different eyes, to feel everything with different hands, to think with a different mind, and to have a different store of thoughts and memories. Full stop. The most serious of the changes would probably be to find ourselves thinking with a different mind. Full stop. If we have always believed in telling the truth and in being kind to others, we could find little pleasure in the mind of a person who believed in reaching his or her own end regardless of truth or kindness. Full stop. If we have always looked at the world with eyes that have found nature beautiful and wonderful, it would be hard to find ourselves without a moment in which to interest ourselves in the daily movement and change round about us. Full stop. Even less pleasing is the idea of the loss of our own memories. Full stop. All the things, all the people and events we have loved in the past would be lost to us, and we should find in our minds, in place of them, another set of memories of people and events, and they would certainly be of a different order from our own. Full stop. Of course, you will say that these things would not really matter, because if we became another person, we should think and act as that person, and we should like it having no memory at all of our old selves. Full stop. That no doubt is true, but the important point is that in wanting to be that other person, we should have to take all the other changes as well. Full stop.